Retail chains still verify planograms using paper planograms, Excel checklists, and photos sent by email. Analyzing a single shelf can take up to 15 minutes. As a result, audits are performed only occasionally, sometimes just once every few months. Planofy automates planogram compliance using computer vision and AI. Store employees receive tasks, view planograms, capture shelf photos, and instantly receive a realogram showing compliance results. In over 90% of audits, results are approved automatically by AI. The compliance team focuses only on complex exceptions. In the back-office application, teams manage the entire store network, assign tasks, monitor compliance KPIs, analyze results, and continuously improve audit performance. This enables continuous auditing, even multiple times per day, with full network coverage. Planofy improves operational efficiency, ensures better shelf execution, reduces costs, scales with your network, and delivers objective, standardized compliance results.